Hello guys, welcome to the Bitcoin information. Today I'm going to buy 1000 worth of USDT Shiba Inu coin. So let's go. Before starting this video, if you are newcomer here, so let's click the subscribe button to inspire me to make the next video. So let's get started. So basically we know about Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin is the right now most popular memes and trending coin in the world. Right now you can see that rank 40 and current price 0.0000627. Right now circulatory supply about 500 trillion and Shiba Inu total supply 1 quadrillion. Last 13 days 29% down right now, and last 14 days 5.3% down. So let's go to the buy Shiba Inu coin. So at first you need to come a Binance account. If you don't have any Binance account, let's check the description box. I will share my referral link. So you can see that search box. I just searched SHIB. When you search the SHIB, then you can see that 4 different file of Shiba coin. So I will buy SHIB USDT. Just click on the SHIB USDT. Then you can click the buy option. Yes. Then buy option, you can see that buy or sell. Right now you can see that market price 0.00627 and market sell order price 0.0627, buy order price 0.0626. I just put on my buy order 626 amount of SHIB total USDT. I just put 1000 USDT. So you can see that 1000 USDT equal to lot of Shiba Inu coin. That's amazing. So you can click the buy SHIB option. I just click yes, my buy order is done. Maybe I got the 1000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. Let's say my trade history. Yes, you can see that I just bought 1000 USD worth of huge lot of Shiba Inu coin, just price 626. So why I bought lot of 1000 plus USDT Shiba Inu coin, I will explain you right now. So why I just bought 1000 worth of Shiba Inu coin, you can see that the hot news, Binance buy 8.6 trillion Shiba Inu coin right after purchasing 75 trillion tokens. Oh my god, it is huge news, lot of hot news for increasing Shiba Inu coin. The cryptocurrency of Binance seems to be a shopping spree, adding trillion of Shiba Inu coin to its portfolio by making maximum use of the dip. So you can see that this news, when Shiba Inu coin is decreasing dip by dip, then Binance continuously buying their own portfolio. Just a few days ago, Binance purchased 75 trillion Shiba Inu tokens by paying 500 million. Can you imagine? OMG, 500 million worth of Shiba Inu coin just bought Binance own. After the second dip the next day, Binance seems to have bought around 8.6 trillion SHIB coin, making in the biggest from the meme cryptocurrency has ever recorded in 2021. 2021 in this year, it's big record for Binance. So that's hot news. When I heard, then I decided I will buy at least 1000 of Shiba Inu coin. It's my future, it's my millionaire dreams. So if you want to buy Shiba Inu coin, buy, sell and trade your own risks. when you are willing to buy something or trade something, before you just research on your own knowledge. After research, then you can buy anything, any coin on Binance, on others platform. So I think you understand why I bought a lot of Shiba Inu coin. So see you later. Bye bye.